Dear learners, welcome back to Perspective classes. Today we are going to start with 2-point perspective. To make a 2-point perspective, first we need to choose an object. Here for basic, I just choose a cuboid which has dimensions as 2, 2 and 4. You can see here. Okay, let's start with perspective. Our first step will be draw a line. We call it HL. Now the second step will be we need to mark two vanishing point. It's called VP1, VP2. This is our second step. Now the third thing is when we have an object, we need to mark a top view here at 30-60 angle. So I'm going to mark my cuboid here with 30-60 angle. So this will be 30 degree, this will be 60 degree. We have horizon plane, we have vanishing points, we have an object. Now the third thing is we need to choose station point. So a station point is again on you. You can choose it anywhere, here, here or here. So I marked as here. It's called my station point. Now what we need? We need a picture plane. Light line. This will be called my picture plane. So we have all the things here. So all the lines will go to station point, such as this. This is already here. This again. And the fourth one is here. So now we have points here on the picture, on the horizon line. So now we need to draw these lines straight. Okay, I'm going to make it straight. See, the rule of 2-point perspective is all vertical lines will be at 90 degree with picture plane. Okay, so I just mark this A point because this is on horizon plane here. This is my picture plane. So the image will be start from here. Now this point I will vanish at VP1 and then for VP2. Now we need to mark our height. And what is height? I told you 2 centimeters. So I will mark it here. All the dimensions in height you need to mark out this straight line. Only this. So now you need to vanish again this point here and here. Okay, we have one line with 2 vanishing points. Now we need to know that we just mark this line, this point and this line. Now we need to mark this line. Okay, and this is coming here. So it will be go straight here, but this is cutting these lines here. So these will be our another points. The same for the opposite side we have here. So we will mark it here and these are the points. Okay, now you got it. I'm going to vanish this point here and this point here. So now you can see the object. Our final 2-point perspective is here. So the second question is, if I'm marking door, windows in any room, so what will I do? So I will mark heights on this line again, and then I'll vanish here, and then I can mark my door and windows. Okay, and the second option is, if I am marking my vanishing point not on horizon plane, somewhere here down, so what will I do? So I can take vanishing point from here to here or somewhere down. In this 2-point perspective, you can choose your vanishing point, your station point, of course the picture plane. So it's all about your perspective, your how you are perceiving things. Okay, the second option I'm going to make with when I am taking my VP somewhere middle or down the picture plane. Okay, let's start with the second option. Step 1, draw line, mark 2 vanishing points, draw your object, okay, mark your station point, and your picture plane. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm taking VPs down. So basically I'm transferring my vanishing points. So you can take your vanishing point at anywhere here, because you are just transferring. So let's mark here somewhere. Don't worry about it, you can also mark here below the PP also. If you have line, just draw it, mark here, not an issue, you can mark anywhere. So now these are our new vanishing point. Okay, let's start with the process. We have object, we have a station point, vanishing points, picture plane. So what will we do? First, the lines to the station point. Now we have points on horizon plane. Okay, this will be my straight line. I need to mark height here, if this is my height. Now what to do? Now you need to vanish your things here, like this. So you will vanish points here. Again, like this. I just vanish these points here. Now I need this point to mark here. Same for the opposite side. So we got points here, and again we will vanish these points. Guys, don't forget, these all are lines in the construction, means the line weight will be very less. This is your final object, so this will be dark and the perspective will be dark. In your presentation, whatever you want to do, a perspective, sciography, anything, the line weight is really very important. So don't forget about this. And now your perspective is ready. I'm going at highlight. I'm just highlighting this and you can see the final object. This is our perspective with these vanishing points. Now I just want to take these points also and we can see the difference here. Okay, again with the same. So we just marked it here, the height, after height you will vanish lines. So here again I'm going to vanish my points. You can see. Okay, now you need this line here. So I'm going to mark it here, and then this. Because vanishing points is the same level where is roof, so we can't see the top of it. Here you can see the difference between both of the perspectives. The red one is when I took vanishing point below the PP, and when I took above the PP, you can see the green one. Now I'm taking an object which has door and windows. You can say it room. Let's start. I hope you understand the process of two-point perspective. Please practice at home. Thank you so much.